Hey you guys, this is Chanel LV coming back at you. I hope you are having a fabulous day. I am back to do unboxing. It's been a while I haven't shared new pieces. I still have a lot of late unboxing to do, so stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more. Without further ado, let's get started with this new piece from 23C Collection. I couldn't keep up. The 23P is fast approaching. It will be launched pretty soon, by January 24. But anyway, let's do this. I have been waiting for the right size that will suit my body frame, and I think this is the perfect fit. Let's unbox. Here's the care booklet. And yes, it's part of the small leather goods. And when my SA saw this, she excitedly texted me telling me that this is the right size for me. I have been trying the smallest size of this, but it still looks very big on me. Here we go. Here is my tag. Here is the price. I love it so much that I went ahead and added this Chanel 19 to my collection. The smallest flap bag that they have is still very big for my liking. And the chain of the walk is way too long and you cannot adjust that. So this, let's find out. By the way, this is called Chanel 19 phone holder from Small Leather Goods. Oh, wait a minute. Here you go. This will be my first big quilted pattern. Closer look. Has aged gold tone hardware. I love it. Here is the back. No pocket. I wish they have added that. Here's the side. And I will share the measurements next. Here's the bottom. This is in smooth lambskin leather. The other side. And the top. I'm glad that the chain is appropriate to the size of the bag, not too chunky compared to the small flap. Love that the shoulder pad is not too thick or not too wide. I am so excited. I think it is so pretty. It's just exactly how I want it. Let's measure. Talking about the length, it's 6.75 inches. So if your phone is 6.75 inches smaller, then it will definitely fit inside. And the height, it's 4 inches. The width can be stretched up. The width is 1.75 inches. I love this little handle here. Let's measure the drop length. It is about 2 inches. It will be too tight to slide your wrist. Unless you have a very tiny wrist. You can only do handheld. It has mixed metals, aged gold hardware, kind of ruthenium hardware, aged ruthenium hardware. This is just perfect for daily wear. This phone holder is super adorable. It's lightweight, structured, and very convenient to carry. Let's look inside. It has a textile red lining. Inside has only one card holder. It's made in Italy. It has a smooth leather under the flap. A smaller version of the walk. It has a zip pocket in the front here. Magnetic button closure. And this is how it looks. It has wide opening. The first thing I check when I have this, if it will close with wide opening at the top. So it doesn't taper, so that's the good thing. You know how sometimes the other bags just taper at the top like this? So this one is really wide open of 1.75 inches. I think it's pretty generous width as far as being the phone holder. I'm so glad I waited and did not get the wok. Let's talk about the drop length. It is 22 inches. So I am 5 feet 2 in height. And this is where it drops on me. It's just perfect, you guys. I love it. It hugs my body and I feel like I'm not wearing anything here. It doesn't even bother my shoulder. And even though this has a chunky metal, it has a shoulder pad for easy carry. It makes it so comfy to wear on your shoulder. What do you guys think of this phone holder so far? If you're gonna ask me if I will recommend, if you love smaller or mini bags like me, I would highly recommend this compared to the wok size. The price difference is only $250. Let me show you real quick the size of the wok. I don't have the Chanel 19. Here is the comparison as far as the height and the width. Look at this. The width is about the same. If you try to stretch up. And here is the back. And as far as the length, and the shoulder drop, let me share. You guys see the difference? I think this is 24 inches. See how this one almost disappears on me? And this is just perfect. Here is the shoulder drop difference. I know you can adjust this one, but I just love how this one drops on my hip. And also, this is my mini pochette. So you can see how big this little phone holder is. I'm so glad that I tried this. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy my unboxing. Please let me know down below what you think of this little phone holder Chanel 19. I'll do what fits inside on my next video. Until next time, bye!